Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a new Intel NUC that we just got. It's kind of like their gaming edition compared to the regular Intel NUC Mini, which is very small and sleek. The bigger gaming model has, I love the ports on here. You got the 4 USB 3.0s, you have one HDMI, 2 1 gigabit network jacks, 2 Thunderbolt jacks, 2 USB-Cs, your optical for your speakers, which is nice in the back because you also have one in the front. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you have your power there, of course. And just looking at this thing, it looks like it's so much heavier than this smaller one. This one just seems like it's going to perform a lot better because it's got a dedicated GPU in it as well. And then you have 2 USB 3.0s in the front, plus additional HDMI and USB-C and another headphone jack and a micro SD. Not micro, I'm just regular SD slot, and then your power button, of course. And I love the design of this model. It's geared towards the gaming people because it just has so much more power. So we're going to be adding 2 16 gig DIMMs to give us a total of 32 gigs, which is the max amount of memory you can put in this, which is 32 gigs is plenty. And then we're adding a NVMe drive, not the Samsung 970 EVO 1 terabyte, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart and upgrade this barebone unit. So the first thing you want to do is, we already did this, we removed the 6 screws on top, removing the 1 Phillips screw here, which we'll remove right now. And then that's it. Now we can go ahead and pull this metal housing that we can go ahead and remove. And now we have access to the 2 not only 1, but you have 2 M.2 slots, so you can actually add 2 in here, which we're going to actually do. And then we got our memory slots here that we can add our DDR4 memory into. So let's go ahead and add our memory. And like I said, these are ADATA 16 gig DIMMs. So we're going to add these in here. There's one. There's a second one. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this 1 screw here. So then we can add our NVMe drive. So now let's go ahead and get our NVMe drive out. We're going to slide that in, just like so. And let's get our screw. Look at that, one-handed. Make it nice and snug. And that's it, you guys. I mean, it's that simple. It's just as simple as the smaller, tall ones. 6 screws. The one that holds this in place, you got your NVMe drive, or 32 gigs. And like I said, you can add a second NVMe. We were going to do this, but we just realized we're going to use that in another machine, so that's not what we're going to do today. But if I wanted to, I could install a second one. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's get our front cover back on. Let's get that 1 screw back in. Final cover. And there you guys have it. Just get all your screws in and you're all done. Hope this video was helpful for someone that's trying to build a barebone kit unit. I'll list the parts in the description, so if you need to buy an NVMe drive that's compatible, I mean, usually you can buy pretty much anything, any brand. As long as an NVMe, you want to get that, because you don't want to get the SATA ones, because I mean, they'll work, but they don't perform as good. So you definitely want to get an NVMe drive, and then get some nice Corsair or ADATA memory will be fine. And we're gonna go ahead and install Windows 10 on this, but I'm not gonna bother you with that because that's gonna be easy. You can look at my other videos to see how I can do a Windows 10 installation off a thumb drive. It's very easy. Alright, you guys, there you have it. There's the Intel NUC. This has got the 8th generation i7. It really does have a true full desktop grade CPU. It uses 100 watts. So compared to the other i7s are like 30 to 40 watts. So this has got a true i7 in a desktop grade version at least. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Thanks you guys for watching.